after the machine is assembled. The next step is the video for replacing the trimming machine. First prepare all these and now start replacing. When removing the trimming machine, first unplug the wire. From the electrode above, when unplugging this wire, there is a part here like this. Press it down and it will come out. Do not pull it forcefully. Pulling hard will damage it. Then take the hex key from the tool bag and first remove these 4 screws. The main shaft can then be taken out. The screws are all tight. Once they are all loosened, use your hander to hold it to prevent it from falling and getting damaged. Remove this and you can set it aside for now. Then first take the sleeve of the trimmer. First place it, use these screws to secure the chuck. Tighten it with screws. The direction is like this. After tightening these 4 screws, then mount the trimmer onto it. Slide it in from top to bottom. After sliding it in, just tighten these 2 screws, these 2 here. Tighten them securely. After tightening these 2 screws, plug the power cord into the socket. Then, from the included accessories, take out this cable and also a power supply. This end connects to the power supply on the spindle. Match the colors and plug them in accordingly. Red to red, black to black. After plugging them in, fit the rubber tube over it to prevent dust. Once this end is connected, the other end connects to the power supply. After plugging in this connector, use the cable from the trimmer to connect to the power supply into this port and then tighten it. And this end is for connecting the power cord. Alright, the trimmer is now installed. Next, let's install a blade. Take a pointed blade from the tool bag. Mount it onto the chuck and tighten it with a wrench. When installing the pointed blade, we have 2 chucks included. Remove this chuck. This one is small and this one is for installing the pointed blade. A larger one, not like this, is for installing a flat bottom blade. First, tighten it loosely, attach it without fully tightening. Then place the pointed blade on and tighten it. Once the blade won't fall off, use the included wrench to secure the blade firmly. Alright, after the blade is installed, we take the laptop we prepared earlier and get ready to install the software. Then, from the included accessories, find the power cable, the switch, and the data cable. After turning on the power, plug this connector in here. Plug the power cable into this port. The other end connects to our power source. After opening the data cable, one end plugs into the turbocharger port here. Once connected, the other end goes into a USB port on our laptop. In the manual, there is a USB drive that contains the driver installation files. Find this USB drive, insert the USB drive into the laptop we prepared earlier. Plug the USB drive into our laptop, then open this PC. Open the USB drive. Copy out the compressed file. Then extract it. After extracting, remove the USB drive. Then here, open the control box, turn on the power. Then turn this knob up. Then open the software we just extracted. Open it. Install its driver. Click install. After installation is complete, exit. Then go to My Computer, Properties, Device Manager, go to Device Manager. Then check which port it is. It says COM5. Then close it. Then open the software we just mentioned. Open the software, click Settings, select COM5 here, then click OK. Now it's alarming. This is in alarm status. Now it's in alarm status. Then press this button here. Then it says done. Now it says normal. Then return to origin. Click this return to origin button. Okay. Then the machine will move. Then we LS start by testing. First find a piece of wood, then use the clamp to secure it. There's a nut under the clamp. The screw goes into the nut below. Tighten it. Then push it inward. Then use this below. Use this star-shaped plate below the star-shaped nut. Then tighten. Same on this side. Now the clamp is secured. Once it's fixed, then we allow carve. Test carve this logo, this image. Move the X and Y. After returning to the origin, move to position the knife in the center of the bow and arrow. Then align the tool again. Okay, now here in the feed rate, adjust a bit more, set it to 100, then move X over. Move it to the center of the bow and arrow. Then for Y as well. Move it down, shift it downward. Then lower it a bit. Alright, once it's in the center position of the bow and arrow, now we turn on the tool setter. Turn on the tool setter. Insert this end here. Then place this plate underneath and clip the tool with a clamp. Then go to the software, click hide detection, Then click once. Now it will automatically lower for tool alignment. Done. Once it is aligned, remove this. Then reset XY to 0. After the tool is aligned for this axis, don't T-reset it again. Just don't T-reset. Tool alignment is now complete, and the coordinates for this axis are here. The coordinates for this axis cannot be reset to 0. Do not click the reset button below. Now we can open it. Open our file. Alright, once it has opened, click start. Turn on the spindle. Click the tool. The spindle speed can be adjusted here, or on the side machine here. Adjust the spindle speed. Then once it has set, click this start button. Click this send button. And you can turn on the work light here. Turn on this light. We are now in the adjustment process. Then remove the pressing plate.